Okay, yama atiefo ne arafo nyina so akwaba famra dwumadie so ene day yatena so once again yebedi nkomo ne nkomo na yebedi ne efa MTN FA Cup ise yehu teams a amoso 8 ko final ana fa wuram enso so ewa ne efa ne se Gafa Division 1 amoso so FA Cup no Ox FC enso atimi akwaje yede ho parity shootout e course highlight bema na wa so hu de no so 8 echo na be bia so natima koso Division 1 league no matches enso echo so essence ene Ghana Premier League matches any ho ntino Division 1 league ni dey continue na ye bo na ye fa say MTN FA Cup semi-finals ye ho finals no teams by ana echo ha Charles Ado TV on YouTube, Charles Ado TV on TikTok, Charles Ado on Facebook. Yedin some no nyina so 8 banti stay cool na fe no tamichuku na fe osutie ensempa no yenko na fe no yemfa ensem no enso entimi ntoa so emfa ma ye na tie fa yehase enso entimi frinia ye fa no se MTN FA Cup achese no so etimi ekoso enra ana achese team a ye fa no se eye golden cake enso any team e fa no se atram diversa e de ekobo ani game no ende no na achese golden cake enso etimi ache team a ye fa no se atram diversa abane 3-1 eno so etimi koso player fan say yeboa Paul ehye goal ni bi Amuzu David ana afi player the din ene ne fan say Ege Bless enso so etimi say 3 goals no edema team fan say golden kick ate say no so etimi koso ena dai enso so no me pacha team a ye fan say Asante Kotoko enso e wata kwa TNA stadium ho na che so mo ni team a ye fan say team and din ene ne fan say Berekum Chelsea enso edekobo ani game no koso na chese enyezi ebo first half enso ewie second half no ana Albert Amwa enya the only goal enema team fanisa Asante Kotoko nteno ana that screens ne so na so hu de no so etimi e koso chese bibia no enso etimi akoso kama so etimi e ho a chese na Asante Kotoko ni team a ye fanisa eye the golden cake ana chese omo so team ko hia ewo final ntino enye easy crunch final why na beje Kotoko beje akọ Africa ananse ne e fa ne se golden cake ana betimi achise Kotoko no we advantage e de matime fa ne Asante Kotoko esanse o hwe Ghana Premier League na nya kan de e be difficult ada matime fa ne Asante Kotoko so betimi enso atima je Ghana Premier League no so only chance almost e won now no achese no enso betimi age ne pa no e ne e fa ne se MTN FA Cup because playing against Division 1 club e fa ne se golden cake no e easy tax e de matime e fa ne se Asante Kotoko se omuso betimi enso atimi ahye omo e final no a be koso e woni e fa ne se Lagos Sports Stadium na be bia so no atima koso ntine once again Asante Kotoko enso atimi ayitima ye fa ne se e Berekum Chelsea e de na free MTN FA Cup semi-finals ni mu a eno so etimi koso na Gafa Division 1 e ma no de no eno so matches no koso eno highlight e wo munti no ye de no betwa to na fo de no so etimi koso njenhwe Division 1 league eno so e koso no team e fa ne se Asekem etena fie echi team a ye fa ne se Sky FC e bo no 3-1 afi team ani de ne ye fa ne se Abusua Bonto a mysterious abusia dras no amoso so etimi ehye ba akoma enzima Kotoko enso entimi ante Elmina Sharks 1 Park Academy 0 Future Stars 2 afi new HBS yenkonkwa 1 Hoho United 3 Nania FC enso etimi ete kanumpa akwa enoso so etimi ekoso Home Stars etna fie etimi ehye ba akom amatima ye fa ne se Interlines enso ehye 2 Kings Palace enso etimi se 3 amakoforidia Sempafi ete kanum baako Northern City ehye 1 ama VC Warriors enso etimi se 2 Rain Masters 0 Great Olympics 0 Sashi All Stars 3 UCC Young Stars enso som etimi ete kanum baako second D11 Wise enso etimi se 2 Rose Park Academy enso entimi ante Swedro All Blacks enso ne Soccer Intellectuals game no enso eba soma Swedro All Blacks no enso eche Soccer Intellectuals ebo mu 2-0 eno so etimi course True Democracy antimi anhye bi sanso ana fe team fan support city enso antimi anhye bi wa power say too ama Real Tamale United enso antimi anhye no say Real Tamale United for de amoso so antimi a qualify awram a chesa mo twa ne e fan say playoff na amoso so antimi abo eno se de no so antimi kona oka amo league table na say na eno so antimi etie say league table no they are group 1A and I say zone 1A no Real Tamale United amoso de qualify among about 27 matches over 58 points. Tamale City tosumi no at some betray nyambo next season so betimi a qualify there amoso over 20 and I say 48 points at also to third position a VC Warriors over 40 points and I feel fourth position here War Power amoso over 39 points. Fifth a Northern City among our 38 points. I feel okwa near for say 1B na 11 Wonders and so kabo playoff almost 53 points. The kind second position the BB United of 40 points. Third a Mighty Royals our 39 points. Fourth a Teshie Liberty our 38 points and I feel fifth ya Doma a Unity and so 37 points. Oh I feel oko zone 2 no mo so master our enyezi Swadro All Blacks Edikan and so our 63 points. Rose Park etosum you and so 8 awaniam ye fun say 56 points. Park Academy tosum and some and so 8 awaniam fun say 48. Fourth Busua Dwarfs and so 44. Fifth Future Stars 38 points and after zone 3 no and so say no so tie Ho United they can 63 points. Port City tosum and so 58. Okwa United at third position and so 48. True Democracy the fourth 41. After Great Olympics the fifth 41 points and so FA Cup no final no so across to team ye fan say Teshie Constant any team fan say Ox FC na de kopani na game no end no na che say obia so entimi amfa a ball Antonio Yonko atena penalty shootout no na Teshie Constant and so our Alajo Astrotef no so amoso 8 SL4 ama Ox FC and so 8 SL5 so Ox FC no and so 8 age FA Cup no and so 8 SC amana so yenhwe sede penalty shootout no and so isi ekoye
right gently okay mama kanfu ya and I say mama can share Game TV live on Facebook how on ya bia share 90 minutes of bia to be a penalty shootout and no Andrew Sway Gafa Women's FA Cup. Now Jocelyn to 2 for Teshie Constant Ladies versus Hannah. Jocelyn, representative Berekum. Yes, indeed, he scores. She scores. Jocelyn Ashe. Wapoashe. Jocelyn Wapoashe. Fe Okafsi Omoanepo. Teshie Constant Ladies. Abo Baku Ashe Bako. Now Okafsi. Goalkeeper Florence. Wa bone homodi ye pa. Obet me save situation ana. Referee na Bebako. Mieno. Miasa. Yes indeed. Beautiful classic. Also Ashe. 1-1 played, 1-1 scored. Teshie Baku Ashe Bako. Okusa boy also Ashe. Now Sarah Anagobo. Sarah for Teshie Constant Ladies. Sarah versus Hannah. Sarah missed. Sarah Wasano. Sarah Asano. Teshie Constant Ladies. Amwabo mienu ashebako. Now Barbara has done it. a converted penalty ni kama Okasi wa mo abomi enu ahemienu Teshie Costa Ladies abomi enu asebako now we aya Belinda versus Hannah. Belinda for Teshie Constant Ladies. Belinda for Teshie Constant Ladies. Belinda for Teshie Constant Ladies. Belinda, beautiful, classic, sensational power standard. Belinda Swashe. Belinda Swashe. Teshie Constant Ladies. Amabomi Asashemienu. Okafsi abomienu washenina. This is the third penalty for Okafsi. Fatih Ibrahim. Fatih versus Florence. Fatih. She has done it. Fatih Ashe. Three play. Okafsi leading by 3 goals to 2. This should be the 4th penalty for Teshie Constant Ladies. Mavis Yabua, the 4th penalty for Teshie Constant Ladies. Mavis Yabua, Mavis has done it. I think Hannah could have done better. Hannah could have done better. Teshie Constant Ladies. I'm about 4, Asha 3. Okafsi about 3 Ashanina. The 4th penalty for Okafsi. It will be taken by Ernestina. This should be the 4th penalty for Okafsi. Ernestina is the taker. Ernestina versus Florence. Ernestina for Okafsi. Ernestina for Okafsi. Ernestina. Sensational. What a penalty. Beautiful power standard. This is the last penalty for Teshie Constant Ladies. And if she misses, that ends it. This is the last penalty for Teshie Constant Ladies. And if she misses, that ends it. She must score. She can't afford to miss this penalty. She can't afford to miss this penalty. Khadija Abutu. Khadija can't afford to miss. Khadija, beautiful. Khadija scores. The last penalty for Okafsi. The last penalty for Okafsi. To be taken by Benedicta Siedu. Benedicta. If she scores, that ends it. Osha Nuarano. Benedicta. And Okafsi wins the 2024-2025 GAFA Women's Africa. Okafsi. And Okafsi wins the 2024-2025 Women's